Good evening and welcome to Proper Repair. In this video I got some parking sensor issues. Do you hear this sound when you turn on your parking sensors? And the LED flashes? It means there's a fault in the system. To get a better understanding, let's check the wiring diagram. The module has three connectors, main one for the front and one for the rear sensors. We can check the connections on the main one from the driver's seat. We can turn the parking gate on and we see the LED flashing, so those two wires are okay. We also hear beeping from the speaker, and when we put in reverse, that information is sent via the iBus network to turn the module on. At this point we can assume that the power and ground are okay, but I'm going to show you how to check those anyway. Our issue is most likely with the sensors or wiring to them. Here is our fuse 21. We got power here, so let's go back, check the module. The parking distance control module is in the trunk behind this panel. It's this guy right here. And here are the connectors for front sensors, for the rear ones, and the main connector, that's X300, where we're gonna check for power and ground. So here's our connector. The pins are actually numbered from 1 to 6, so it's very easy. Let's check it out. And there we go, we got battery voltage. Since the module looks fine, the problem is most likely with one or more sensors being broken or not communicating. But instead of checking all 24 wires, let's do the tap and listen check. Sensors work by using ultrasound and you can hear and feel them by just slightly touching them. If you can hear such ticking, the sensor works. In my case, all but the rear center one worked fine. Let's do a quick jump back to the whiteboard to see which wires we need to check. Each sensor has three wires, power, ground and signal, and this is how the connector looks like. So we're going to be checking for battery voltage on pins 1 and 3 and for the resistance right here, which should be close to 0. Getting to the sensors is easy, you just need a prying tool or in my case a letter opener secured with some tape. On the pins 1 and 3 we see battery voltage, so power and ground wires look okay. Also, when checking the signal wire, the resistance is minimal. Now I've shown you how to do the diagnose using some standard tools. But if you have a scan tool that can communicate with the module, all the better. But remember, scan tool will never tell you which parts needs to be replaced, only where you should start your checks. So let's go to PDC module, read codes, and we got, PDC rear center right, just the one as we thought. That's the one giving us the problems. To be 100% sure that we have a bad sensor, let's switch it with a known good one and see if our problem moves along. Okay, let's read the codes again. Oh, of course, we got both now, because we didn't clear them before. Alright, let's go out. Erase codes. Yes. Okay, read codes again. Okay, good. As expected, now we have only rear Saturn left. So we know for sure sensor is defect, we need to replace it. After installing the new sensor, we put the trim back, very easy, it all just snaps back into place. Okay, let's also check some live data. PDC rear, let's just select all, okay. Oh, we need to turn them on. Yeah, there we go, we got values on all 4 of them. Great, we're done. And now that the parking distance control works again, you can safely back up without hitting shit.